Are you looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Compass Limited 4x4 in Redline Pearl. With BI-XENON HID headlamps and LED signature. Black grille with satin granite rings. 19-inch satin granite aluminum wheels. Gloss black Jeep badging. LED tail lamps. Heated front seats. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. 8.4-inch touchscreen display. Navigation. Park view rear backup camera. Beats premium audio system. Blind spot and cross path detection. SELEC-TERRAIN system. Second row remote USB port. Remote start. ParkSense rear park assist system. 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5442.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.